If Grammarly is showing up inside Microsoft Word and you want it gone fast, this video will show you the simplest way to remove it. Whether you just want to stop Grammarly suggestions in Word or fully uninstall it from your laptop, I'll walk you through both options step by step. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and look for the floating Grammarly widget, usually the little green G icon that appears inside your document. This shortcut is the fastest way to turn Grammarly off without digging through lots of settings. Move your mouse over the Grammarly G widget, then right-click it. A small menu should appear with a couple of options. If you only want to stop Grammarly from checking text inside Microsoft Word, choose Turn Off Suggestions in Microsoft Word. This is the best option if you still want Grammarly running for other apps on your computer, like your browser or email. Once you click it, Grammarly will stop showing suggestions in Word, but the desktop app will stay available for everything else. If you want to completely shut Grammarly down, right-click the same floating G widget again and choose Quit Grammarly. This will close the Grammarly app house entirely on your laptop, so it won't keep running in the background. That's useful if you want to stop all Grammarly activity for now, or if you're troubleshooting an issue in Word. Now, if you don't just want to turn it off temporarily, and you actually want to remove Grammarly from your computer completely, you can fully uninstall it on Windows. To do that, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From there, click Apps, then open Installed Apps. In the search box, type Grammarly so it's easier to find. When Grammarly appears in the list, click the three dots or the app entry, then select Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm the removal, so go ahead and approve it. After that, Grammarly will be removed from your system and it should no longer appear inside Microsoft Word. If you ever change your mind later, you can reinstall it again from the official Grammarly website or your app store. So just to recap, right-click the floating Grammarly widget in Word, then choose Turn Off Suggestions in Microsoft Word if you only want to disable it in Word, or Quit Grammarly if you want to close the app completely, and if you want a full removal, uninstall it from Windows Settings under Installed Apps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.